Welcome back. It is the second day of Severe Weather Awareness Week in Minnesota. Chief Meteorologist Aaron White is giving us a look at hail and how it forms.
Hail, part of Mother Nature's destructive side. It can be small and relatively harmless or quite massive, smashing through windshields and damaging homes. But how does it form? And how do hailstones grow so large? Let's break it down and look at the development of a thunderstorm. Storms like this develop due to multiple factors, but there are four main ingredients to start talking about severe weather. Those are lift, moisture, instability, and wind shear. That's a change in wind direction with height. When all of these come together, storms can quickly develop and become quite severe. What can make storms stronger and larger is the updraft speed. That is the speed at which an air is rising into the thunderstorm. When rain gets pulled up into the updraft, the droplets will rise up and freeze high up into the thunderstorm. And when they get too heavy, gravity will win out and hail will fall to the ground. The faster the updraft speed, the larger the hail can become. Let's head outside and see how this works. Our storm is developing over Rochester right now. Heavy rain and gusty winds are moving in. With this storm, the updraft speeds are approaching 40 miles per hour, and hailstones up to penny size are beginning to fall. These stones are still small enough and non-severe, as damage is unlikely to occur. But this storm is growing stronger and has now reached severe limits. The updraft speeds are up to 50 miles per hour, and the storm is dropping quarter-sized hail. These hailstones are large enough to ding up cars, but we all know that hail can get even larger. As speeds soar to over 60 miles per hour, the hail has grown to the size of golf balls and is more likely to put dents in your car and can damage the roof and siding of your home. As our storm continues to grow in size and strength, it is now reaching updraft speeds of 80 to 90 miles per hour. This is when we start talking about life-threatening hail, as stones reach the size of baseballs, and once we're up over 100 miles per hour, that is when we are talking about softball-sized hail smashing through car windshields. It is quite rare for hail to get so large. However, the largest hailstone ever recorded was almost twice the size of a softball at 8 inches in diameter, and it fell in Vivian, South Dakota back in 2010. While it's highly unlikely that you'll ever see a hailstone like this in your lifetime, you will probably see smaller hail falling at some point during a summer storm. Should large hail ever be a possibility, the National Weather Service will issue a severe thunderstorm warning. So be sure to pay attention to all warnings this severe weather season. For KIMT News 3, I'm Chief Meteorologist Aaron White.
Pretty impressive displays there, if I can say so myself. And as we move into the heart of severe weather season, you can always get latest severe weather warnings on your phone with our free KIMT weather app.